much would you do it US taxi?
So where?
Placencia?
Give me 200 US.
I could just...
It's almost 200 miles, man. I have to go and come back. That's the cheapest.
Yeah.
600. I'm taking off a full 100.
I'm just gonna do the
What's
bus.
What's your best price?
Because I'm only doing... I'm just gonna take the bus because the plane...
Bus is like $8. Now listen to me. Give me 175 direct. I'm just trying to
Because it's 200 there and back on plane.
You want to go to the bus station?
Yeah, bus station.
You want to come in?
I was gonna go take the bus if it's right there. Texas, the Sunshine State.
It was pretty hot over there when I went there last year.
So I just got to Belize City. I'm in a taxi right now. I'm heading to the airport. Once I get to the airport, the plane ride should be about 20 minutes to a half hour to get to Placencia. So on my way to Placencia, I took the water taxi from Caulker to Belize City. It took me, I want to say, around 45 minutes to get to Belize City. From there, there's a couple options you can go with to get to Placencia. You can take the bus, which is the longest route, taking around 5 to 6 hours, but it's also the cheapest route, costing around $12 US from Belize City to Placencia. I ended up taking the airplane. I want to get a ticket to Placencia.
You don't have any reservation as yet, right?
No.
Okay.
Cost me $89 US one way. It was about a 30-minute flight from the city to Placencia. In Placencia, gonna get picked up by the real estate agent Teresa. She should be here soon, and I'm gonna wait for the luggage. During my time in Placencia, I did take a look at some properties. Placencia is becoming more and more popular with retirees and expats, and you can get a nice place right on the beach for under $500,000. So I stayed at the Sea Spray Hotel. It was $35 a night. The room wasn't anything special. It didn't have any air conditioning, just a fan, but it was in a good location. I was just a walk away from the beach, and it was centrally located to all the bars, restaurants, and souvenir shops. Where do you get the wood at?
Jungle.
All right. Very nice.
Got tarpon right here, marlin. Got the tree with iguanas hanging out there.
That's cool. There we go. Leo's shop.
Made in Belize.
I was only there for 2 nights. So I didn't really get to check out everything I probably could have. There is diving though, tons of water sports. It was low season, so it seemed like some of the vendors were closed. Overall, I would say if you want to be a little more secluded, Placencia would probably be the spot for you. And the beaches are a little bit better too over there.